Emerson's professional tools business, which includes RIDGID, Greenlee, and Klauke brands, provides the industry's broadest portfolio of advanced, reliable tools and technologies for the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing trades globally. Together, we strive for the best in quality and technical support. Thus, our training center in the Philippines is available to help you get maximum productivity and service life from our products. We offer you custom, classroom setup, and hands-on training by our expert instructors. Our one-day training session covers an overview of our tools from diagnostic and locating equipment, handheld inspection cameras, drain cleaning equipment, pressing and electrical tools, pipe and tubing tools for joining, cutting, drilling, bending, and forming, down to general-purpose hand tools and wet-dry vacuum. Today, we have trained more than thousands of customers, partners, and students from all over the region, and in our commitment to introduce new innovations, share our knowledge and best practices. Our training center also welcomes future trade professionals and those outside our industry. Contact us now and schedule a free training.